Hi and welcome to our course, Teaching ESL Online. Let's get started. In this module, we will look at an overview of the course, the basics of teaching ESL online, the advantages and disadvantages of teaching ESL online, developing a teaching persona and course objectives. Before we get started, remember, to teach ESL online or in person, you will need at minimum a TEFL certificate, which is preferably 120 hours. Now, let's have a look at the objectives of this course. Here are the objectives of this course. Whether you are a seasoned ESL teacher or just starting out, by the end of this course, you will be equipped with the knowledge and skills to teach ESL online effectively. Understand the basic principles of teaching ESL online, including the benefits and challenges of teaching online, the importance of planning and preparation, and the use of technology. Identify and use appropriate online teaching platforms, tools, and resources to enhance student learning and engagement. Create effective online lesson plans and materials that meet the needs of diverse learners and align with relevant teaching standards and objectives. Implement a variety of online teaching techniques and strategies to promote student engagement, interaction, and motivation, such as through the use of multimedia, games, and other interactive activities. Develop effective virtual classroom management strategies to create a positive and productive learning environment, including methods for addressing behaviour issues, building rapport with students, and facilitating student-centred discussions and activities. Evaluate and assess student progress, using a range of online assessment tools and methods, and provide timely and constructive feedback to support student learning. Develop effective marketing and promotional strategies to attract and retain students, such as through the use of social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing techniques. Explore opportunities for expanding your online ESL teaching business, such as through developing additional courses, collaborating with other teachers or institutions, and building an online community of learners. In this course, we will be covering the basics of teaching English as a second language online. We will discuss the advantages and challenges of teaching ESL online, and you will learn how to develop an online teaching persona. This first module serves as an introduction to the course and will provide you with an understanding of the content that we will cover. In the next module, we will go through preparing your online classroom, including online video conferencing platforms, software and equipment needed for successful online lessons. In Module 3, we'll cover best practices for teaching online, how to incorporate technology into your lessons, and how to deliver effective ESL lessons online. In Module 4, we will look at how to deliver assessments in an online environment. And in the final module, we have a brief overview of how you can start your online ESL teaching business. This course includes a resource pack, which includes sample lesson plans and useful websites. Let's look at understanding the basics of teaching ESL online. ESL, or English as a second language, is the process of teaching the English language to non-native speakers. Teaching ESL online has become increasingly popular due to the accessibility and convenience it provides to learners. Online ESL teaching enables learners to access quality instruction from anywhere in the world. In this section, we will explore the essential skills that an ESL teacher must possess and the key factors that contribute to the success of online ESL classes. The role of an online ESL teacher is to facilitate language learning through the use of technology. In an online environment, teachers must be able to communicate effectively with their students, provide engaging content, and monitor progress. Here are some of the key responsibilities of an online ESL teacher: planning and delivering effective lessons, monitoring student progress, and providing feedback, encouraging and motivating students to participate actively in the learning process, and creating a positive and supportive learning environment. To be an effective online ESL teacher, you must possess certain essential skills. Here are some of the key skills that you need to have. Proficiency in English. As an ESL teacher, you must have a high level of proficiency in the English language to teach and communicate effectively with your students. Technology skills. You must be familiar with the tools and platforms used in online teaching and learning, such as video conferencing, virtual whiteboards, and learning management systems. We will look at these as we go through the course. Interpersonal skills. You must be able to build rapport and communicate effectively with students from different cultural backgrounds. Time management skills. You must be able to manage your time effectively to deliver lessons, provide feedback, and assess student work. Flexibility. Online teaching requires a high level of flexibility to adapt to the changing needs of your students and respond to technical issues that may arise. Providing engaging content is a critical aspect of online ESL teaching. To provide content that engages and motivates students, you should consider the following. Use a variety of materials, such as videos, podcasts, and articles, to keep your lessons interesting and dynamic. Provide interactive activities and exercises that allow students to practice their language skills and receive feedback. Make sure that the content is appropriate for the student's language level and interests. Incorporate multimedia elements, such as images and videos, to support visual learners. Encourage collaboration and interaction among students by incorporating group activities and discussions. Teaching ESL online has both advantages and challenges. Some of the advantages include flexibility, the ability to teach learners from all around the world, and the convenience it provides for both learners and teachers. The challenges of teaching ESL online include issues with technology, communication barriers, and the need for strong organizational skills. Now, let's focus on the advantages of teaching ESL online. The first advantage is flexibility. As an online ESL teacher, you have the ability to work from anywhere and to set your own schedule. This allows for a better work-life balance and the freedom to work around other commitments. The second advantage is access to a global market. By teaching online, you have the potential to teach students from around the world, increasing the variety of students you can work with. The third advantage is increased demand. The popularity of online learning has increased the demand for ESL teachers, providing more job opportunities. Finally, online teaching has lower overhead costs, as there is no need for a physical classroom, which can lead to cost savings. Moving on to the disadvantages of teaching ESL online. We'll be discussing some of the challenges that you may encounter as an online ESL teacher. The first disadvantage is technical issues. Internet connectivity, hardware, and software issues can disrupt classes and cause frustration for both the teacher and students. The second disadvantage is limited social interaction. Online classes can lack the personal interaction that traditional classes provide, which may impact the student's motivation and ability to learn. The third disadvantage is teacher isolation. Online teaching can be isolating, without the camaraderie and support of colleagues in a physical workplace. This may impact teacher morale and job satisfaction. Finally, there is the potential for distractions. Students may be more susceptible to distractions at home, which can affect their engagement and progress in class. Teachers need to be aware of this and find ways to keep students engaged and motivated. Although there are disadvantages to teaching ESL online, with proper training and preparation, you can overcome these challenges and provide effective online instruction. In online teaching, it is essential to develop a teaching persona that reflects your teaching style and personality. Your online persona should be professional and reflect your expertise in teaching ESL. You will learn how to develop your online teaching persona in this course, which will enable you to create a strong connection with your learners. We will discuss this further in the course. In this module, we have covered the basics of teaching ESL online, the advantages and challenges of teaching ESL online, and the importance of developing an online teaching persona. As you move forward in the course, you will learn how to prepare for teaching ESL online, how to deliver effective online ESL lessons, how to assess and evaluate learner progress, and how to manage and grow your online ESL teaching business.